Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 1431, kids with greater number of candy. This is very easy problem for a beginner. So let's start. The problem statement is we are given n candies. Each element represent the numbers of candies a kid has. So we are also given a number of extra candies. Our task is to check whether each kids can have a greater number of candy after receiving all the extra candies. If yes, return true, otherwise return the false. So let's understand with the example. Candies equals to 2, 3, 5, 1, 3. Extras candies is equals to 3. The maximum candies any kids currently has is 5. So now check. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. So true. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8 is equals to true. Plus 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So it is false because 4 is less than 5. So we return the false. So the output answer we are getting is true, false, true. The idea is very simple. First we find the maximum number of candy in the array, then check every kids. Current candy plus extra candy is greater than equals to maximum candies. Store true, otherwise store false. So let's start with the code. So this is the basic code for the problem state. So first we create a maximum number in which we can store using max.element. Then tell us the greater number of the candies any kids has. Then we create an answer of vector. Now travel every kid. For every kid's extra candies, if the total number is greater than equals to the maximum, return true, otherwise return false. Finally the answer of the vector we will display. So the time complexity is O into n because we travel the array twice, and the place complexity is also O into n because we store the answer in the vector. So that was the solution for LeetCode 1431. Kids has the largest number of candies. The main idea is to find the maximum number. The main idea is to find the maximum values first and then compare every kids after adding the extra candies. If the explanation helps you, make sure you like the videos and subscribe the channel and comment which LeetCode problem you want the next. Thank you for watching.